Sudesh and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you guys how to return, exchange and get refund from sites like Shein or Romwe or Zaful, stuff like that. The return and refund is kind of a little tricky on these websites. It's not as simple as Myntra or Coos or any other Indian websites where they just come and pick it up and it's super easy. So I know that the return refund policy, because of this, a lot of you guys may not want to venture into trying clothes from Shein and Romwe. So I just thought that this video can be super helpful for you guys and you guys can finally relax and order stuff from Shein and Romwe without having to worry about it going to waste because you can't return it, etc. So yes, without any further ado, let's get started with this video. Okay, so first I'm going to start with Shein and then I'll move on to Romwe. That's because Shein and Romwe have completely different return policies, and the process of returning is also very different. So first let's just go and start with Shein. So after you guys have placed your order and after you've received your order, if you don't like any of the products, then you can easily return it. So Shein has a good 45 days return policy, which is absolutely amazing, guys. So that's like 1.5 months for you to decide whether you want to keep it or you don't want to keep it. Once you've decided that you don't want the product, what you have to do is you have to go and log into your Shein account and go to my orders. So once you go into my orders, you can see your orders in like a rectangle box. So in the rightmost corner, you will see something called return item. You can choose which item you want to return. So another good thing about this return policy or exchange policy is that you don't have to return the entire bulk order, whatever you've ordered. You can decide to return how many ever items if you want. So after hitting next, you will get another page that gives you a list of reasons that you can choose from. So here you have to choose the reason why you want to return the product. So it can be whether if it's defective or the size is too small, too big, or whether you don't like it. So after this, hit next, and here they'll give you two options. So you can either choose to self-ship the product, which means that you will pack the product and seal it and you will go to the courier service and self-ship it on your own. Or the next option is a pickup option. Obviously, it makes sense that you choose the pickup option because they'll just come to your house and they'll pick it up and go. You don't have to deal with any of the hassle. But this pickup option may or may not be available in your city. Since I live in Chennai, it's one of the major cities, pickup was very easily available. So I obviously opted for that. And how much ever it costed you to self-ship that product, that amount will not be refunded. And if you're choosing the pickup service, then even that is not free. They will take 65 rupees for coming and picking up at your home. After my product was picked up, it took approximately 2 weeks for me to get my refund. I received my refund on my Shein wallet. If you want it to be back on your bank account, log into your Shein website, go to my wallet, and there at the bottom there'll be an option called deposit, like withdraw the deposit or something like that, and that amount will be refunded to your bank account through which you made the payment. Now let's move on to Romwe. Now Romwe is a little more different than Shein, and that's because you don't have a pickup service, so you will have to self-ship. Log into your Romwe account, go to my orders and just see whatever item that you want to return. Now there's an option called raising a ticket or my ticket. So if you just go there, you will have to raise a ticket. So ticket is basically raising an inquiry. So this just sends a message to the Romwe customer care, whichever product that you want to return. Just write the numbers and just say why you want to return them and just hit submit. It will take them around 24 hours to give you a reply. They will reply to you giving you the entire address and they will give you all the details and instructions of how you should return it and everything and etc. And just follow it to the T, and how much ever it will cost you to self-ship an item is completely on you. They will not refund that money. If you're going to return a top which is for let's say 300 rupees and just shipping that is going to cost you 150 or 200, then you will have to think whether if that is actually worth it. Just reply to the same ticket with the tracking number saying that hey, I've shipped the product and this is your tracking number. If you don't send them the tracking number, then they will not know that you've shipped the product. So after they said that they received my product, I got my refund directly into my bank account in the next 5 to 7 business days. So that's how you return on Romwe. So as you guys can see, Shein and Romwe is quite different. So guys, that brings me to the end of this video. I really hope you guys found this useful, and I really hope it wasn't confusing. I hope it was clear and you guys understood how to return on Shein and Romwe. I really wanted to make this video. It was just a very random thought. Don't forget to like and even share this video if you find this useful. Just share it with your friends and tell them to watch it. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I make videos every Tuesday and Friday, so don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification. That's very, very important. And I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye guys!